how to find prime numbers from 1 to 100 in a very easy way. So first of all, we need to arrange 1 to 100 numbers in a very systematic way. So as you can see that, first of all, we need to make 6 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and within these 6 columns, we need to arrange the numbers from 1 to 100. So as you can see that I have already arranged the numbers from 1 to 100. Now let's see how to find out the prime numbers in a very easy way. So first of all, as we all know that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So we need to make it cross. So we will not include 1 in our prime number. Now let's move to second column, and in the second column you can see that 2 it is written. So you just encircle the number 2, as 2 is our prime number, as it is divisible by number itself and the table 1. So except 2, whatever the numbers are there which are divisible by 2, we need to cut all those numbers except 2. So we will cut all these numbers from 8 to 98. This is your second column. So we will cut the numbers from 8 to 98 except 2, which are divisible by 2. And here you can see that in the fourth column also it is the numbers which are divisible by 2. We will cut all these numbers. We need to cut all the numbers which are divisible by 2. So here you can see that sixth column is also divisible by 2. So we need to cut all these numbers which are divisible by 2. So we have already cut all the numbers which are divisible by 2 except 2. Now let's move to third column. Here you can see that 3, and circle the number 3. This is also a prime number because it is divisible by the number itself and 1. So now those numbers which are divisible by 3, we need to cut all those numbers but except 3. So here you can see that we have to cut all these numbers which are divisible by 3. So we will cut all the numbers in the third column. Now let's move to fifth column. Here you can see that 5, and circle the number 5, which is divisible by 5 and 1. It is also a prime number. So we will cut all those numbers which are divisible by 5 except 5. So you can see that in a diagonal way the numbers divisible by 5 it is given. So we will cut the numbers here: 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now let's move to next one digit prime number, that is 7. So here we need to encircle the number 7. 7 is also a prime number. It is divisible by the number itself and 1. So now we need to cut all those numbers which are divisible by 7. So diagonally also we need to cut all the numbers. So here you can see that starting from 14. So 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Cut all those numbers which are divisible by 7. 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. Here 91 and 98. So we have cut all those numbers which are divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7. So now let's encircle all those numbers which are left. So here you can see that 2, 3, 5 and 7, these are the one digit prime number. Now let's move to the 2 digit prime numbers. So here you can see that 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and the last one is 97. So total we can see that there are 25 prime numbers are there in between 1 to 100. So students, you just practice this at your home and you will find it very easy way to find out the prime numbers between 1 to 100. So follow these easy rules.